Hi everyone, we're going to open our Tactipup package we got out of the mail today. I pre-opened it so it's easier for the video. So we got in our extreme swivel leash. This is the neon pink. We got a 6-foot leash. They have the option of 4 or 6. I personally like the longer leash. Got your handle, and then it's a swivel. And then ours has a traffic handle. They have the option of with or without. I prefer the traffic handle for when we're walking in tighter spaces, shorter leash, and when we have more space, we can have the option of a longer leash. And then this is a frog clip. Hold up to 5,620 pounds. And then I don't have a collar, but you can just go like that onto the collar. So I did it on another leash. You can just push it in. These are a more heavy duty clip. Tactipup also offers a basic swivel clip if you don't need the extra durability. And then I'll show you some of the other colors we have that they offer. We have the black, the same leash, and the material of the leashes matches the collars, and I love matching. So then we have a purple. This is the purple. And then here we have red. It's the red leash, which matches the red collars. And they also have the options of, there's coyote brown, you can get gray, there's the multi-cam black, and the army green in leashes. They also offer biothane. We don't have biothane leashes from Tactipup yet, but I do love those for definitely like more muddy water adventures. That way they're a lot easier to clean, but for everyday walks and stuff, we use these leashes. But this is it for our gear today, and I will be back next time. Thank you.